I spent a lot of time in my bathroom getting ready, and I just wanted something that felt fit for a queen. I am a realtor in Austin, Texas, and owner of Chiang Real Estate. My home style is a bit unique, just like me. I call it modern antique because I like mixing different time periods and nice big windows, so you'll definitely feel a bit of the French inspiration from New Orleans mixed with some of the modern features of today's style. The goal of my bathroom was extravagant, luxurious, relaxing. I love the feedback that my girlfriends give me when they walk in and they gasp and say they get goosebumps. And I just wanted it to feel inviting where me and my friends could get ready. And I love black and white. It's just very timeless. And if you can't tell, I love green. So the green arch shower just was something unique that inspired me and wanted something different that no one else has. For my shower floor, I chose a hexagon marble mosaic tile, and it was just something that was really simple and elegant, and I kind of just like saying I have a marble shower floor. I chose this gorgeous green tile because I just wanted a bit of shock and awe. I feel like as a realtor, I see a lot of white subway tile, and of course I had to do something a little different. So this beautiful arched shower with the pop of green, I think really just gives it that wow factor. Floor&Decor was instrumental because there is a lot of black and white tile, and after a while your eyes just want to pop out of your head. I felt like they were very helpful in narrowing down my selections. They had a lot of great selections, and they could find me something in my budget, which was hugely helpful because my bathroom started getting a little crazy. Being able to go into the store physically, touch and feel the huge display boards really helped make the process so much faster. I was much more confident as well, and I was able to go home with a sample and actually see what it looked like in the space. So Floor&Decor was very, very helpful with the selection of my black and white tile that you see here. So I know whenever I work with Floor&Decor in the future that I will always have options that feel timeless and that I could love for the next several decades.